talking about neuronal differentiation and how cells become themselves. SOP stands for sensory organ precursor cell. This is the first cell which will eventually differentiate into a precursor cell. This separates into the precursor cell. The way this happens is through the differential placement of NUM. NUM is a protein that causes the cells to differentiate. NUM separates randomly. It may have to do with gravity. Interestingly, there is more NUM expression of neurons than other cells. The SOP splits into the two precursor cells, which then go through the NUM differentiation again, leading to 4 cells. There are 2 proteins called Notch and delta that regulate gene expression, creating differentiating cell types. They regulate each other. NUM inhibits Notch, so when there is more NUM in a cell, delta will increase. When delta increases, it sends feedback to another cell. This will increase Notch in this cell. When the Notch is upregulated, it keeps on upregulating itself. This causes a decrease in delta. All of these changes further change the cell, eventually leading them to have completely different functions. So now you know that cell differentiation comes from many various feedback loops and gene regulators that eventually lead to cell differentiation. It is a complicated process, but only a few genes regulate what creates our entire nervous system.